friends, myself Professor Pandit Shinde from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Department of Engineering Sciences. So we discussed today the higher order partial differentiation, Engineering Mathematics 1, unit number 3 in 19 pattern, unit number 5 in 2015 pattern. So how to find out the higher order partial derivative of any function? First keep in mind, partial derivative, when we find out the partial derivative, if there is a more than one independent variable, then we find out the partial derivative of any functions. If there is only one independent variable, then we find out the order differentiation. Clear? So first I am taking the one function to find the partial derivative. Suppose I am taking let u is equal to f of xy. That is, u is a function of two independent variable xy. I am just using or explain this concept using two variables. Similarly, three variables also there. So now u is a function of two variables. So definitely first order we differentiate u partially with respect to x and partially with respect to y. Partially with respect to x and partially with respect to y. Here. So differentiate u partially with respect to x is nothing but the dabba u by dabba x. Nothing but the dabba u by dabba x. Y constant. Partially with respect to y means again partially with respect to y. It is dabba u by dabba y. Clear? So this way we find out the partial derivative of u with respect to x and with respect to y. All of you know the rules and regulation. Now how to find out? So therefore this is the first order. हमने एक बार डिफरेंट किया. So this is the first order partial derivative. What I am just guessing, again this u dabba u by dabba x is a function of xy and dabba u by dabba y is again a function of xy. So again हमने कंसीडर किया, it is again a function of y. जैसे हमने प्रीवियस एग्जाम देखा था कि फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव लेने के बाद भी वहां पे x and y आ रहे हैं. So this is again a function of xy. So again we differentiate this partially with respect to x and y. Partially with respect to x and y. So therefore we differentiate this partially with respect to x. So very important thing, keep in mind, we differentiate dabba u by dabba x partially with respect to x, means it is dabba by dabba x. Partial derivative of this dabba u by dabba x with respect to x. So it is dabba by dabba x of dabba u by dabba x. So we write down this as this way also. It is simply, हम यहाँ भी लिख सकते हैं उसे, it is simply dabba square u by dabba x square, like this, dabba square u by dabba x square. Similarly with respect to y, so again we differentiate dabba u by dabba x partially with respect to y. So therefore keep in mind, so partially with respect to y, so it is dabba by dabba y of dabba u by dabba x. So therefore this is nothing but we write down this as like it is some dabba square u by dabba y dabba x. Dabba square u by dabba y dabba x. Clear? So therefore this is the second order partial derivative. This is the second order partial derivative because we differentiate this u twice here. Now similarly this is again a function of x and y. So we differentiate this partially with respect to x, partially with respect to y. So what happened? Here we differentiate dabba u by dabba y partially with respect to x. So it become, it is dabba square u by dabba x dabba y. Clear? And next we differentiate y. So it is dabba u by dabba y with respect to y. So it is written like as it is dabba square u by dabba y square. Clear? This is the second order partial derivative because we differentiate twice. Now what happened here? This type of derivative, look at this one and this one. What happened in this? Here we first differentiate with respect to y and then x. Here we first differentiate with respect to x and then differentiate by partial derivative y. So such type of differentiation is called as mixed partial differentiation. It's called as mixed partial differentiation. क्योंकि एक बार x से डिफरेंट करें उसी को फिर से y से डिफरेंट करें. An important thing is the given in this format dabba square u by dabba x dabba y. इसका मतलब you want this as from this my right to left Clear? Or left to right like this. Left to right means first we differentiate u partially with respect to y. Whatever the value is there, then we differentiate this with respect to x. Means first हमने क्या किया, डाबा u by डाबा y निकाला, उसके बाद उस डाबा u by डाबा y के वैल्यू को पार्शियल डिफरेंट किया x से. Clear? So this way means how to find out such a differentiation. Again I am saying next, suppose this dabba square u by dabba, this dabba square u by again a function of x and y. It is again a function of x and y. So again we differentiate with respect to x and with respect to y. What happened? Keep in mind हमारा क्या था यहाँ पे, dabba square u by dabba x dabba y. We differentiate partially with respect to x. Clear? Means this differentiate partially with respect to x. So this become, it is dabba cube u by dabba x square dabba y. Dabba x square dabba y. Similarly this is dabba square u by dabba x dabba y. We differentiate partially with respect to y. So we write down this as dabba cube u by dabba y dabba x dabba y. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली स्क्वायर किया, सो डोंट राइट स्क्वायर, हम उसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं डाबा एक्स डाबा वाई. क्लियर? नाउ दिस इज डाबा क्यूब यू बाय डाबा वाई डाबा एक्स डाबा वाई. वो ऑर्डर इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसे बेस मेंशन करें तो आप बोलेंगे डाबा वाई बिकम डाबा वाई स्क्वायर. डोंट राइट इट. सो ऑर्डर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इन दिस केस हाउ टू राइट इट? फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट डाबा वाई बाय डाबा यू बाय डाबा वाई, then you differentiate this dabba u by dabba y with respect to x, then dabba square u by dabba x dabba y, and a whole bracket differentiate with respect to y partially. So this way we find out the means. What I am going to explain, if there is a thing like this, dabba cube u by dabba x dabba y again dabba x. So how to read it? First we find out dabba u by dabba x. पहले क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, यहां से आ जाना है. So dabba u by dabba x. Then this dabba u by dabba x with respect to y partially. So second is partial, so dabba u by dabba y, and this whole bracket with respect to dabba u by dabba x. So this way if we evaluate it, so it is very simple. First means हम लोग ऐसे डर जाते हैं वहां पे, it is dabba cube u by dabba x dabba y dabba z dabba x again. So it is third order partial derivative. So doesn't matter, it is a very simple thing. Go by procedure through one by one step. First target is find out dabba u by dabba x. Clear? Then whatever the value of dabba u by dabba x, differentiate with respect to y. So this dabba u by dabba x with respect to y partially divide karo, we get dabba square u by dabba y dabba x, and then whatever full bracket with respect to x again. So we get the easy answer. We go some example on this higher order partial derivative. Hope so all of you understand or see this. I'm taking one simple question on this topic. So moving towards the question. So therefore first, if u is equal to I'm taking here, suppose question first, u is equal to like this, some e raised to x y z. Clear? E raised to x y z, and they are asking find out, or not x y z, I am taking here will lengthy become, so I am taking simple, it is x plus y plus z, and question is find dabba cube u by dabba x dabba y dabba z, or changing the order, no problem, kuch bhi change karo, forget this thing. So you have to find out this. So it is a very simple question, just focus on it. First, what is the given? Given as u is equal to e raised to x plus y plus z. And next, keep in mind what do you mean by this. You want to find out this, means you want to find out like this. First u with respect to z. So first we want to find out dabba u by dabba z. Clear? First target क्या हमारा left to right. So like this dabba u by dabba z first, and then differently dabba u by dabba z with respect to y partially. Then whatever the value of dabba u by dabba z, you want to differentiate partially with respect to y, and then whatever the value of this whole bracket, differentiate with respect to x. So this we want to find out. So our first target is differentiate this with respect to z. So first we have to find out for dabba differentiate u partially with respect to z. clear, and u partially with respect to z, first inner bracket, clear. Now z means e raised to by 2 is e raised to x plus y plus z as it is, x plus y plus z as it is, and the partial derivative of x plus y plus z with respect to z, y and x constant, so derivative of x is 0, derivative of y is 0, derivative of z is 1, so simply it is e raised to x plus y plus z as it is. This is the value of dabba u by dabba z, clear. Now next हमें डिफाइन करना है दिस dabba u by dabba z को with respect to y, so I am taking here differentiate this dabba u by dabba z partially with respect to y, that means differentiate this partially with respect to y, clear. So what is the derivative? This dabba e raised to x plus y plus z with respect to partially with respect to y, so this become e raised to x plus y plus z as it is, and the partial derivative of x plus y plus z with respect to y, it is gx का 0 because constant, y का 1 and z का 0 because constant, so therefore it is e raised to x plus y plus z as it is. This is the value of this dabba by dabba y of dabba u of dabba z, इसकी value हो गई. Now we want to find out the last, this one, so we also write down this as like this, ऐसे भी सकते हैं हम लोग, it is dabba square u by dabba y dabba z. नोटेशन है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उससे, सेम नोटेशन, मीनिंग सेम हो रहा है, फर्स्ट z and then y, and now the last we want to differentiate this with respect to x partially, so therefore I write down here dabba by dabba x of dabba square u by dabba y dabba z. I am just taking this notation in place of this, so it is dabba by dabba x of whole these bracket means again e raised to x plus y plus z, so again it is dabba by dabba x, so e raised to x plus y plus z as it is, partial derivative of this with respect to x, so derivative of x is 1, y 0, z is 0 because they are a constant y and z, so final answer is e raised to x plus y plus z, so therefore this simplification is dabba cube u by dabba x dabba y dabba z. This is our final answer. It is third order partial derivative. Because of time limit, I am just taking one simple example. Sometimes what happen, यहाँ पे multiplication आएगा, but concept is important. How to find out the higher order partial derivative. This is the third order partial derivative. तो हमने क्या किया? ये find out करना था. So left to right गए. First with respect to z निकाला. उसके बाद second position पे y है, तो partial derivative of this dabba y with respect to dabba y, dabba by dabba y means partial derivative with respect to y निकाला, and in this last is this, so whole bracket का with respect to x partial derivative निकाला, so this becomes third order partial derivative of this e raised to x plus y plus z is again e raised to x plus y plus z. कि मेरा एग्जांपल ही ऐसा था, बहुत सिंपल था वो, जस्ट आई एम कंसेप्ट अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए वहां पे. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, थैंक्स अ लॉट.